Have you ever scrolled through a long Excel sheet wondering if the same data appears more than once? Maybe it's repeated email addresses, customer names, or invoice numbers. Spotting them manually seems impossible. In this video, I'll show you simple and quick ways to find duplicate values in Excel. Let's dive in and uncover those duplicates in seconds. Here we have a simple data where we have a few names. Let's identify the duplicate names. I will show you how to do this using two different methods. The first one is using conditional formatting. This method is fairly simple. I'm going to select the data, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and duplicate values. That's it. We have all the duplicate values highlighted. I'm now going to clear the conditional formatting. Let's look at the next method. In this method, we will identify the duplicate using the COUNTIFS function. COUNTIFS. The criteria range is the list of all the names. Fix the reference. Criteria is the first name or the cell A2. And I see 2 in front of Anna's name as this name appears twice. Now I will just add a simple if before the COUNTIFS and check if the value returned by COUNTIFS is more than 1, which means the duplicate exists. Therefore, the value if true would be yes to indicate a duplicate, and value if false would be no. And that's it. These are the two ways for you to identify duplicates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.